to our drawing channel. Today, we have an exciting and super fun challenge just for you. We'll be drawing and coloring not one, but 6 amazing pictures all at the same time. That's right, we'll be drawing a friendly cow, a talking apple, a beautiful rooster, an orange carrot, a sweet-eyed horse, and a juicy slice of watermelon. We'll have 2 rounds, with 3 drawings in each. Who do you think will finish first? Stay with us to find out. Grab your pencils and get ready to draw along. Let the race begin. Ready, set, draw.
I'm a carrot, full of vitamins and a burst of color. Hey there, Hand. You can draw very well. Very good. I am a shiny red apple named Melina. I want to tell you a little about myself and how special I can be in your everyday life. I hang from an apple tree, a tree that grows in orchards. This orange is also very nice. Congratulations on your choice. Trees are full of green leaves and beautiful flowers in the spring. When the flowers turn into fruit, that's when we apples are born. I am a sweet and crunchy fruit, full of juice that makes your mouth water. Inside me, there are small brown seeds. What's your name, slow-moving friend? If you plant these seeds and take care of them, they can grow into a new apple tree. Just like the one I am on now. It's great to meet you too, Turtle. I'm not just tasty to eat. We both have unique qualities. Full of vitamins. I'm crunchy that help your body grow strong and healthy. A bite of an apple gives you lots of energy to play and have fun. You can eat me just as I am, or slice me up lesson for the kids. Your favorite snacks. Speaking of which, and do you think they'd like to draw and color us today? You know what? You can also make delicious pies, fresh juices, or sweet jam with me. Besides being useful, I am also very beautiful. As they color, we can share with them how eating veggies like me can help them grow strong and healthy. My red skin shines in the sun and makes the orchards colorful and happy. Yes, in autumn, let's remind them to use their imagination. Orchards become a wonderful display of red, yellow, and make our world as colorful as they wish. It's a magical place to run and play. So, the next time you see an apple, remember how special we are. As you start coloring, we may be small. Every color you choose tells a part of our story. Make every day a little sweeter and more colorful. We can't wait to see your artwork, friends. Show us how you imagine our world. Little artists, keep being curious, creative, and always eat your carrots for a boost of energy and health.
Wow! Our artist who drew and colored the little dog was the fastest. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends.